Hello teacher, this is my traditional food. I chose, well, my favorite food. I chose the encebollado. I really love it. Basically, the ingredients are albacore, salt, chili pepper, cumin oil, onions, tomato, yuca, cilantro, and some other ingredients that may vary according to the place where it is prepared. So the origin is the traditional dish in Ecuador. The origin is in the coast region. Some people say that it is original from Guayaquil, others from Manabi, and according to Jenny Hernandez, in her book Sabores de mi Tierra, she states that the albacore it's a mix of the Valdivian food and the Spanish influences, and it also has some changes in the cholos of the coast. So the preparations are really simple. Cook the fish, add onion, salt, cumin, pepper, garlic, cook the yuca, boil the fish water, garlic, onion, cumin. We add the onion again and mix the ingredients. And you can add whatever you want, for example, lemons, more oil, um, chiflets, etc. Now the essay, that's a simple essay. What type of food you should try. In this essay, I don't invite you to try a specific dish or a specific food. I invite you to try the food of Ecuador, or each region of Ecuador. Well, almost each region. I mean the coast, the high mountains, and the Amazon. I recommend you to try that. And finally, this is my collage of the traditional food. In this part, we can see the encebollado, as I mentioned previously, the fritada, the corviche, the yapingacho, the maita, the bollo, and all of these things. Okay, I think you have tried some of these one, maybe not. I haven't tried the maita, but I love the encebollado and the fritada and the corviche. Uh, what can I say? It is delicious. I really invite you to try whatever dish you haven't done yet and tell me how is it. Tell me what do you think about that. And if you want to take a huge risk, if you want to risk lymph and lime, I encourage you to try the chantacuros or cuy. Those foods or those dishes are really controversial. Many people don't like that, and many people never could try that. But I encourage you, I invite you to try that. I like cuy. I don't know about the chentacuros, but I think it would be delicious. And I wanna do it at least once in my life. So thank you so much for your attention. It's all my project for today. See you.